You are foolish. You are a foolish boy. You are a very foolish boy. You and the girl will be foolish girl. The girl will be foolish girl. Nobody go fit tell me anything. Come on for there. You go come talk say me my fans them unpick the smell. Me my fans them unpick the smell. Your they smell bad. Erica, your they smell bad. Erica, your pussy they smell bad. Your pussy they smell bad. Bad. Don't. Tell them. They can understand. We vex. And as we vex, it be so you go there. Until they can apologize one by one. Because Shatta Wale never come to them. They always go after Shatta Wale. And when I come to them, then they want to paint me black. Now we are ready. Let's paint. And see who in paint go finish.
Busumi weimu. Sika ode ko Ghana no. Opese wo say nya sika nyina abaka. Application a e wo so use di send sika no e lemfi. Me pese me kasa bebre. Omu ye promotion bi. Omu say 100% cashback. Sika ode be ko Ghana nyina ode offer for 5,000 pounds and I say dollars and Canadian dollars and I say euros. Eko Ghana every week be omu ye draw. So mo pick your account now and as mo pick it your account now and I say number now they are registered lemfi now. Now 50 lucky winners no be ka ho a. Sika wo de ko ye nyina no. O message wa de nyina sa ma back. Eyo da sika kra na nshi wani abai. Ana dodo na mabusuafo wo America na mo pese sebi mo de enyoma free America eko Ghana ebi ho a oye osifie obeya wedding or to party one home use or tonyoma like mekasa adaje beboye ni a opese odi free America eko Ghana bia no edin ye ba kope Box Oak Logistics catchroom say nam TheBonahShow so and our team munka and also be sa 10% discount ya Ghana entertainment industry yeah. Me no ka say Shatta Wale aba bonten. Or say appointment medikal ediama highest area say highest Erica no. Nani nje ho. Enye ne kwan no. Sabi sa akwada no person ni omuye adwuma. E wo say akwada no ba bonten ebebu nkotodwe pa achew. Once a story ni buy me once a man for be break kasa o mu tweet obi a che na adwene na me pese me yes story ni bi but story na bibi ka che me se me nyanto boase bibi si nyabot and the men enkasa nyabotre na no kre na nkasa eba and lo and behold before we could say Jack and who say Shatta Wale about life according to Shatta Wale akwada no qualify say oye adwuma ma medikal. The disrespect is too much. And the day, Wale amama who said, or no, and then no kre ewo Ghana entertainment industry mu. Na chi no kre bi ani ho. Me ka no kra tro na due. Open no kre pa ewo ye industry nim. Open bema. Ye ka so be a bema for an industry. Shatta Wale. Na chi bibi ani ho.
Then you're going to watch this, but then they're going to waste your time and sense. I beg you. Don't be watching those people. Those people, they are time wasters. They pay me what I say sometimes. When I'm there, I say, Shatta movement fans for the whole world. People, they try. But still, people, they try to sit on your happiness. That girl, they make people go for him. Don't give them chance. Anybody will go ask tell them say me online. Give them. Go and follow all those people, plug them and just make they say they don't be nobody. But we will not be anybody. But when you want to show me say I don't be anybody, I will show you say you don't be anybody. Come on for there. This country one law here. The internet up they insult we, which law catch them. That's why they fool like that. Oh, you sure you go and do the kind of time you say, house somebody in house. You go there, go be your fan. Go you sure they be your fan. They be your fan. You did that way, maybe you because of your bad mind. Because we know everybody for Ghana, from president to one mobile thief, everybody, we know everybody for Ghana. We know everybody for Ghana. We will make plenty thieves stop steal. You know how many thieves we made a travel for outside the country? We they change them alive. You know how many poor we change them alive? Poor. Can't they there? One can talk like, you know security pass. You know security pass. Don't come and even do like one advice anybody. I don't need your advice. The same energy they keep them like that because we are going like that to see who will stop. Poor. You go advise on girls, say your advice are making no work with medical. You are foolish. You are a foolish boy. You are a very foolish boy. They get to be foolish girl. The girl will be foolish girl. Nobody go tell me anything. Come on for there. You go come talk say me my fans them unpick the smell. Me my fans them unpick the smell. Your pussy they smell bad. Erica, your pussy it they smell bad. Erica, your pussy they smell bad. Your pussy they smell bad. Don't tell them. They can understand. We vex. And as we vex, it be so you go there. Until they can apologize one by one. Because Shatta Wale never come to them. They always go after Shatta Wale. And when I come to them, then they want to paint me black. Now we are ready. Let's paint. And see who in paint go finish. And see who in paint go finish. Stupid people. Guys, catch me when the shake concert. That's if I come, I can't give them 1-2 for them. You can see what I say. When the shakes have been type, make you talk, check when the shake. Girl, nice girl, we invite me come and show. No, nice girl. We invite because yeah. We try to say Indian say we could turn up who can't cross them on internet so. And no person, yeah, employ. Yeah, employ mommy. No, nana. We are poor. We are kwasia girl. We are Jimmy girl. We Jimmy. Papa Jimmy, mama Jimmy, unia meaning the way I can. On your family, I saw me. Sana person me can no makan me come kasa mo. On your family, I saw me. On your me, I saw me. To me mama yi, I gbe me mama yi. O papa duna, o mami duna. O ekume fe duna. We are for you now, muche. We are for you, muche. See ya. Poor obi anu kasa wo area o enti Jimmy o kasa o ye star. Stylist no ya utima o kwa onu kwa ni mama ni papa ni auntie. Ya ye make up ni ma wo omo yo mo che. Obi a o hu bia ni su. U boyfriend eko on na ya cho coke nu eko kwa ni papa ni papa ni mama. But me for verse, plenty things go spoil. Or you know listen to Thunder Fire. That line where they fuck it, make everything spoil. We know the praise that the kwashi like if it be me, I go make that cocoa spoil. Who the praise that the kwashi? Who brought cocoa to Tete Kwashi? Go check Tete Kwashi say they watch him now for this country. This country, unless you chop politics, so before you go, if you watch your family people. But it's God's grace. Some of us, we follow God in roots. So we know they lie to the people. And man, if I become president, if I become president, because this country, that is what you need. So, because there are a lot of foolish people in the country. Up to now, some people can wake up and want to insult president. Up to now, and those people, if you are firing squad and now we call jail. What must I say? So until a young we ain't trying to. Nobody go fit tell me anything for the world. We are sanitizing the world. Jimmy, you get Ghana free, so everybody if you buy camera and put mic for him phone, then they do something. Hey, don't try that thing. Don't come and even work for medical. After this, they call him. They tell him, make you no even make that mistake again. Because you shouldn't say advise again. If I make you no even try, go work with the girl again. Poor. poor muti some Twitter no so na kwasia mu ni nyansa wo no. That's kind of like some weird way nobody they think for them. No. Poor, foolish people. Make us say you can't talk, say you can't well. Go talk for them, say you know if you work with medikal again. Poor. It be me I be spoiler. Me I go spoiler. Satanic. Me I be satanic. Me I be satanic principality, demonic spirituality, dwarfality, genility, everything. I go spoiler. Mama why when say nightmare uda uda yem uda ube so dey make nyina no ebe coach mu obusafo be fra kase na ade na wakoye ya ebusafo enye hwe ba munya mo twe mo ba no wejimi nobody go fit can sit anybody in happiness stop. Nobody you go fit can sit anybody in happiness stop. People hear what I talk. So SM fans, whatever you want to do them and do them worse. Nobody good. That somebody go create agenda, then people go. Anytime where you post, you say me and they follow something, follow them. Don't let some fan incite you, then you go start something. No. Listen to me. Me, I get the direction. Me, I get the roots. Me, I say I won't take you people to there. I won't take you people to Canaan. Follow me and let us go. Oh, money. So far as you know, be God the cat money, but man the cat money. Oh, come on. I no be man. We two will get the money, and I go bring the money come your tabletop. I go to give you everything where you wish for, where you know they get. God go give me that money, make a fish supply you small. Make you manage one yourself. I say you show up on Shaxi, my bro. Like, don't anything you won't do around Shaxi. You won't promote Shaxi for TikTok. You won't promote social media. Do one. If you say you go figure out Shaxi, do something for your area. Do one. Shaxi be your own. Let's make money. I they talk this thing. Let's make money. You understand me? Let's make money. When the people come, you saw them. They don't do anything. We not create one award. We now create one award. What we did a Shatta movement. It's for life. Me now I can show you both the Trinity, the science, the God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Spirit, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. This is our symbol of hope. There's God here. The three fingers you see here, you can even spell God out to G-O-D, God. What else do you want me to teach you? There is no Malami here. There is no anybody here. If God that is here, God is here. Type God is here before I finish my life. Type God is here. Capital letters hard. God is here. No man day here. This word not for anybody, before God. This word be for God. So God is here. Capital letters hard. You believe, type God is here. I vex. You understand me? But like I'm saying, Shatta movement, just be strong. I know time they go. I know some of you, if you say they grow, I know some of you, they feel like, yeah, I'll go for this thing. Oh, I know some of you won't get close to me and even find, sometimes if it's on, Shatta, make I can't wash your car. Shatta, I want to be your this. Shatta, I want to be, and they see all those things. But sometimes, I say, no, I've had so much experience with people and I need to be careful. But I'm trying so hard to create something that will benefit all of us. Recently, I said they can start one city Ghana project. That thing they can start. It not be for me. It be for you people. So I can raise money. Then we can use to help the regional, fan bases and things they did there. Maybe one day we'll go wake up, go Tamale, go build some school for them. So say if your kiddie they go school for Shatta movement school, go pay school fees. Maybe what politicians can tell we, free educate, free this thing, and we know they even sit up, bro. We can do this. Why people don't believe? Huh? When I start my one city project, I want everybody to get involved. Because everybody can give one city as a down. Yes, we can do it small. Pardon. We too much say if we join one city together, we can raise some money. People when they won't go school for abroad, we go fit support them, make they go. But man, it be just talking. Oh, Say I know if you go American embassy and go tell them, say, it be this project we do, we have these brilliant students, education, the warriors, so probably they go here, this be the money we have, won't put down for them, go pay them a school fees for maybe them a 5-year school. Mama, we can do this. It is not difficult. It is not difficult for some of you to even go and learn surgery, this thing. Before some of you go even finish school, then before you come, we build Shatta Movement Hospital. In future, me and your kid, they no go suffer. They will come, they depend on government, and they can call some budget, and they come, they do something. They, every day they watch. Then this one government can pass. Then this one go. Then you they grow. Mama, me I know they grow with government too. I know go lie. Me I know they grow with government. Hey, mama, I have my own government. I dey tell you. Oh, mama. Yes, I beg. Yes, I beg. Yes, I beg. Yes, I beg. Yes, it's good to do. Yes, I beg. But Charlie, the big men I know for this country inside, they better pass politicians. So I know go lie you, Charlie. They support. I mean, they don't want to even be like. They don't want to even. They support. Oh, but it just say it be bad. You know, I know if it goes on big man, the chairman give me some money. I want to go and give my. Let us do something for people that want to support. We see that we they do them, and they will support. Oh, when I start my 1 city project, I beg you, let's put ourselves in it and shame people like this foolish girl where you can't sit there and talk, say you armpit the smell. Who armpit the smell? You armpit know the smell. You armpit alone self know the smell. You get mouth odor. You get mouth odor. Your mouth the smell. Your mouth the toss. You the girl, you the Erica. Your mouth the toss. Your pussy the toss. Why you can't talk somebody them a kid say them armpit the smell. Like they no get parents for house. You come the show there way. You come smell somebody in armpit. You come the show there. If they take you go coach right now, they say this thing talk. You come the show there. You go if you can talk. A poor, foolish. One day, you people go do small mistake. Then Shatta Movement just go rise, and you people go say you don't control that thing. This thing they talk every day way. Big men they way they listen somebody they say they be intelligent. Yo, one day you people go try me and the way the streets go rise. You people go there and go it's like movie. We are ready. Shatta Movement, we are ready for anything. Anybody in foolishness, we go deal with you. We are ready. Stop this nonsense thing. Because most of you know they listen to Shatta music, so you don't know what tomorrow may bring. Go sit down and insult my boy. Then today you be there. Then you won't come work. Welcome to the Shatta Movement branch, where if you bring your foolishness, we go keep you for there. Welcome. We'll deal with you. Yeah? Your mother and your father and your family will tell you so don't come internet again. We will deal with you. If you woman, let's continue. Me, you, and the fans. Let's continue. Make we see who will go offline. Play deal right up. Charlie, guys, let's meet her when the shares comes. Let's have some party and, let's go support her. I just go pass through. I know go check. You understand me? So come early. You understand me? I go be there by 12:30. You understand me? So by 1, I just do my performance and I go. You get me? They work with time. I tell them, we'll let them know already. So come. I know it's something they go perform 3 a.m., 4 a.m., Charlie. It's when she has been very supportive and she's been, very nice to me and, she's been hardworking too. That's what I love. And most of her shows I don't even go before. So this one, I dedicate my time because then I won't travel. But I said, no, let me just wait and, do this and support her. So you guys should come early. You understand me? Just come by 12:30. I did there, by 1, I sure by 1, because I tell them, because today's my DJs all, they get, engagements with it to do. Virus, they go play some play. Alinko, they go play some play. So, they don't really get time like that. So I beg, come and let's go and support when share. Just tell her thank you, for believing the Shatta Movement brand. She supports Shatta Movement solid, serious girl. Where they see vision, say no, Shatta Movement go for help them. So when she doesn't play with Shatta Movement. You understand? So let's all go support her, and let her feel good and let her know that yes, we are behind her and we want to always make her happy. You get me? So yeah, that's the only message I gotta give you. But apart from that, yes, let's keep promoting the songs. I released some, couple of songs and I wanted to, tell you guys that's the suffer too that I'm giving you guys. Because when I get the feelings, I say Shatta music, we love it. That's what we built ourselves with, So you guys can go on also listen to some of the songs, create contents with it, do whatever you want to do with it because it's your music, you get me? And keep supporting like from day one. And let's just build this thing. Whatever I have is yours, So anytime you see music online, my videos, just anywhere how you want to promote it, like how you guys have been doing it, just keep doing it. Don't even watch anybody. That's what I've told you. You guys are hard working more than my team, even where I work or you understand me. My team, they know if you work like you. My team, you put your PR skills. You understand me? You be bad. After I go finish this video, go date people on my page and things plenty. I know. You understand me? I follow most of you just to know you guys are my fans. And I know which people that I follow and they are my fans and they are promoting my stuff. You understand me? So just keep doing you, keep promoting the things and any way you want to do, I'm just do it. You understand me? I got you and I got love for you. Anytime I go there for you, I'll come motivate you. I can't tell you when to say no, when to say yes. You understand me? If you know you can take decisions for yourself, don't worry. Anytime I come online, come. There is God here. God is here. God talks here. There is no other man that talks here apart from God. You understand me? Because me, when I sit down, God, they sit me. He sit my inside. They sit everywhere. You understand me? He's always around us. And that's what I've been telling you to believe. That's why I ask you always to pray. Pray to God. You understand me? Even if you don't have that belief, just believe through me. When you are praying to God, picture me and pray. Tell God, say you look at me and pray. Use me as a point of contact to God. Like the way people they use Jesus Christ. Where somebody if you talk nonsense, but Jesus, come die for we and don't mind those people. The problem did in my house. You understand me? If you can't channel something to God, use me. Me, I'm a servant of God. I'm not a superstar or artist or celebrity or somebody can win an award or somebody can do. I don't even come for that thing. I came to win souls for God. That is my mission. You understand me? So I don't care who calls me an artist and who doesn't call me. I don't give a fuck. You understand me? I am a servant of God and I'm here doing God's work.